Perry and Weston have done a great job with keeping a family culture around the company. It's a big deal if you treat people that way, and it's important for everybody.
I've had the pleasure of working with Hat Creek. They do run in the same industry as us, a construction company, and what I appreciate about them is that they're vertically integrated. They've got their pit out there. They have a way of crushing their aggregate sources. They have the trucking to run their aggregate sources to the job. And then they have the employee expertise to man the job and execute it, which we haven't seen in a long time. Typically, these larger scale road jobs here in Lassen County are outsourced. So we see huge companies coming in from Reno, Chico, Redding, Bay Area, and their employment is from the Bay Area, so all the money being made on these roads is taken back to their communities, which doesn't tend to stimulate us economically. So when Hat Creek moved in and they have the capability of bidding and winning these larger jobs and then providing more employment to the Lassen County residents, it's been nothing but an improvement in our community.
Oh man, I love this job. It has worked so perfect because I'm born and raised in Susanville. I don't really want to leave. And so them being here and giving me the option to have a great job is awesome. I mean, it's everything.
Not only are the products we make 100% American, they're 100% local. You can't haul aggregate very far. It doesn't pay, especially with current gas prices. So we need our sources close. So the advantage that has for us is that, it allows us to control things, but it also lets all the control be local. I mean, it allows local people to help build those materials. And that's the advantage that we have.
The company also takes a tremendous amount of pride in the local communities. Watching Hat Creek go out and anything from buying FFA animals to bringing materials to fairgrounds for their local events to local parks and recs and anything that they need. Hat Creek really tries to accommodate the locals and bring out the best.
Hat Creek has always been one of the biggest supporters, if not the biggest supporter of our livestock events down at the fairground. He's always one of the top buyers. He's adding on money to the kids to make sure everyone's making enough that goes to their college fund later down the road. I used to be one of those kids, so I appreciate the big buyers like Hat Creek. And he's so genuine that takes the time to talk to the kids when they come over and bring the buyer's gift over to him. So he's super involved.
Our team has made some tweaks on how the pit is operated. We've added RAP, the big recycling component, which not only is better for the environment, but it also makes it more competitive on bids. More often than not, 9 out of 10 times, we beat Reno, we beat anywhere else that's coming to this local community, and we keep these jobs locally. That allows us to turn around and invest back into the communities, and it's how, in my opinion, we all need to be working to shop locally, take care of kids locally, take care of families locally, take care of our communities locally, and it all starts with us.